Okay, we're going to discuss how to take a swab out of a shower. The first thing you want to do, as we did with the others, is you want to make sure you fill out your swab container, which you want to make sure you have your customer name, the number, so this is the third sample, and then the date and your initials, and leave the swab inside of the container for right now until we actually take the sample. The first thing you want to do, as we did with the sink, is you want to run the shower for a split second, just to kind of wet inside of the areas you're going to be swabbing. Okay. Then you're going to take the shower head off of the hose here. Be very careful, try not to cross-contaminate items. So what I try to do is kind of hold them with my fingers, kind of like that. Everyone's different. You do however you like, just to make sure there's not any cross-contamination. Okay, we're going to pull the swab out here. We're going to, actually we'll swab here first. And we're showing kind of what we're swabbing, kind of turning this as well to try to cover all surfaces. And then we'll go right here as well, inside the hose, and kind of swab all the way around. And then swab inside of the hose to catch any type of potential items in there that you want to swab. And then once you're done, we'll come over here. Actually, you know what we'll do is first we'll put this back on, and then try not to cross-contaminate. Put that back, and then come over here, push this back in here, and so put the cap back on. And that is how you take a sample out of or swab out of a shower. Additionally, in swabbing of showers, aside from swabbing inside of the shower wand here and inside of the hose, you could also swab the outside of the shower face as well to see if there's any potential indication of growth there as well.